This is LaserPecker 2, the new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution, 10 times the speed increase. This means fast, super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of LaserPecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LaserPecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LaserPecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LaserPecker can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LaserPecker 2. The super fast LaserPecker 2.
Meet Plybot, the simple, easy way to bring 3D printing home. Combining state-of-the-art technology with approachable design, Plybot is uncomplicated, works beautifully, and won't break the bank. There's zero fiddling to get started. Just switch it on, and the superior onboard intelligence does the rest. Print anything with one tap through the Plybot app. It's also super quiet. Hear that? It's Plybot's trinemic stepper drivers and 32-bit ARM CPU working together to keep the volume down. Plybot loves you this much. His robotic arms cover a wide printing area. Since Plybot's design was inspired by humans, why not dress him up? Choose from loads of different colors and even customizable graphics for his arms, like camo patterns or the Incredible Hulk. Plybot is designed and assembled with love in California. This small and mighty printer will wow you with possibilities, and its super affordable price. After years of design and development, both inside and out, this is the best version yet. See for yourself how easy it is to bring the future home.
3D printing is amazing just because it's possible, but it needs to be easy.
So the math needed to calculate the positions of the arms is actually quite complicated, but we have a strong 32-bit processor, so that's no problem.
And one thing I really do like about Plybot is the way that it looks. I've not seen a single consumer 3D printer that looks quite like Plybot. And then you combine that with the fact you can simply hit print and an object comes out perfectly every time.
Plybot breaks through the price point that keeps people away from 3D printing.
Like, everybody loves it. So when I went to science fairs, you get a ton of kids crowding the stores because they just love the arms. They love how it moves like that. They'd watch it for like 15, 20 minutes, just entranced by it. That's what I liked about it. No other printers are like that.
The friendly factor of this is huge. It almost wants to reach out and hug you if it could get its arms apart.
Please back us on Kickstarter to help Plybot and everyday 3D printing for everybody become a reality. Plybot. Imagination in 3D.
In the last 5 years, DOBOT has sold over 40,000 robots, connecting over 200,000 users in over 100 countries. Now, we want to achieve our dream to universalize industrial-grade robots just like Apple did with personal computers in the 1980s. Introducing DOBOT MG400, a desktop collaborative robot, affordable, accessible, safe, and extendable. Costing just 1/3 of a typical industrial robot, the MG400 seeks to democratize access to robotic applications for small and large businesses alike. It can automate manufacturing processes like loading and unloading, dispensing, inspection, and fulfill repetitive tasks at laboratories, even serve up ice cream from a food truck. The MG400 practices simplicity, taking up a footprint smaller than a piece of A4 paper. The MGM400 can blend into any work environment. It offers 3 ways to program: teach and playback, graphical programming, and Lua script, helping users with different levels of programming experience handle applications of various complexities. Teaching the MG400 to move is as easy as moving your own hand. Adopting a dynamic gravity compensation algorithm, first-time users can effortlessly and precisely move the robot wherever they like and set up a task in minutes. The MG400 is designed to work alongside people. With state-of-the-art collision detection technology, it will stop immediately when it touches an obstacle. The MG400 delivers industrial-grade precision and speed. A repeatability of 0.05 millimeters comes within the thickness of a single human hair. Featuring a maximum payload of 750 grams and a 440 millimeter reach, the MG400 can handle most day-to-day desktop applications. With TrueMotion, our self-developed speed planning and dynamic control algorithm, the MG400 produces accurate trajectory at stable speeds, excelling in tasks like dispensing. And the MG400 is highly extendable by both software and hardware. With the help of grippers and a vision system, users can create an endless variety of applications. We are committed to providing people with innovative solutions to boost productivity and stay ahead in rising competition. DOBOT MG400 is the pioneer of desktop robots, substantially improving accessibility and affordability. Join us now and bring more possibilities to life.
Your cocktail shaker sucks. And I should know, I'm Sheldon Wiley, 3-time Guinness World Record holding mixologist. We've all used one of these little SOBs and had a leaky, sticky mess, or worse yet, frozen, stuck frustration, trapping our amazing cocktail inside. Well, lucky for you, we've invented the Elevated Craft Cocktail Shaker, the first patent-pending shaker to raise the bar in 135 years. Engineered to never freeze stuck and never leak, so you can make elevated cocktails after a long day's work. Or become the next Instagram sensation. From margaritas and martinis to those healthy alcohol-free infusions, it starts with the perfect pour. Our patent-pending measuring system allows you to dial in your mix from 1/4 ounce all the way up to 6 ounces. And don't let that sexy slim shape distract you. This baby holds enough goodness to make up to 4 boost-tastic cocktails at one time. I love you. Our double wall vacuum insulated design guards against diluting heat transfer to make super chill drinks without freezing your hand. The double wall also means no more annoying condensation puddles to clean up. Look at this. Oh! So toss those old crappy cocktail shakers in the recycling bin and elevate your drinking experience with your new secret weapon, the Elevated Craft Cocktail Shaker.
My name's Adam Kraft, founder of Elevated Craft. This started as a passion project and evolved into a product that I'm really proud to bring to the world. As a professional product designer, I sweat every detail, painstakingly designing, prototyping, and testing dozens of versions of the Elevated Craft Shaker. We already selected our factory, made all of our molds, and tested the production samples. But now we need your help to get the first manufacturing run off the ground. So please back this campaign so we can launch our flagship product and elevate your cocktail experience.